This is Dr. Holt. I want to go over the free response energy test that you're going to have either tomorrow or on Monday. On this test, you're going to be given no more than 45 minutes to 1 hour to complete the test. There will be no additional time given, so you have to know what you're doing and you have to be able to do it quickly. You also cannot ask me any questions whatsoever, because if you've done your homework and you understand kinetic energy and potential energy, this test is not going to be hard. What you're going to be given is it's more of a roller coaster type problem. You're going to be given a mass of some value. You'll be given a velocity. I'm going to ask you several questions. I think the first question I'll probably ask you is how much potential energy and kinetic energy the system has in respect to B. And then at this point I probably will ask you what the velocity is going to be at B. I'm going to ask you what the centripetal force of the or centripetal acceleration would be of the car when it reaches B, what the force of the track will have to be on the object at B. The object will go up, it's going to hit some type of friction in this area right here. I'll probably ask you how much frictional or how much work is done on the system between here and here where you're given a distance. Up at the top, let me shut this off. Up at the top at C, I'll also ask you questions regarding like what's the potential energy of the system, what's the kinetic energy of the system, what's the centripetal acceleration, and what direction it's going to be at C, what the force of the track is going to be on the mass at that point. It's going to come down and going to hit again some type of frictional force. You'll be able to determine how much work it's going to be done. And then same thing, I'm going to ask you these. What are the velocities at D? What the velocities are going to be at E? Potential energy at E? Kinetic energy at D and E? As well as centripetal acceleration and the force of the track is pushing. So it's very important that you can draw good free body diagrams at B, C, D, E. Any place that you have a bend, you're going to have to be able to draw a good free body diagram to determine what that force of the track is going to be. Now again, you're going to be given about 45 minutes to 1 hour to do this. If I were you, I would prepare today that you know exactly how to set this problem up, because again, you have very, very limited time. Alright, best of luck.